Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for France, the unlimited data. So actually guys, before we get started, you will need to click the link in the description to check out yesim and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. So actually guys, at the end of the video, of course, I will show you how to install the eSIM profile in both devices, the iOS and the Android. So actually guys, first you will need to go with where do you need the internet or the search bar, and then just go and look for France, right? So this is the country, go ahead and tap it. So yesim offers unlimited data eSIM plans for France with options for different trip lengths. For example, yesim currently offers unlimited plans for 8 days, 7 days, 9, 10 extra, as you can see right here, until a month. So you will need to choose a couple of days. So you go with 20 days for right here, for example, and then you can choose the number of the eSIM. So you can go with 1, 2, 3. It's up to you, and then just go to the checkout. So now you will need to choose the payments method and whether you will or you need to enable the auto top up. That means the auto renewal to stay connected at all time, and then just go with pay right after choosing your payments method and follow the prompt. So entering your card or bank card information, etc. So actually guys, now I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM profile for Android or iOS device, of course, right? So right here, you will need at first to go to the eSIM page and then just tap or click on install and then go with the eSIM plan, then done. Now you will need to enable two options inside the eSIM plan. So you will need to turn on the line and the data roaming, and of course you will need to know about the second method. So that one is the first method. Second method is scanning the QR code. So you'll need to go to the mobile data option inside your device settings, go with add data plan, and now just go with use QR code option and then just scan the QR code and enable the data roaming, etc. Now we're going to talk and show you how to do that on your Android. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the help center, then just go ahead and click on yesim installation or tap on it. Then you will need to go with install right here and go to the settings option. So you will need to enable data roaming as I showed you before on the iOS, and restart your phone if necessary or requested, as it says right there. Of course guys, we have the second method, which is scanning the QR code. So just go with the connections option inside your device settings, go with the SIM card manager, and then go with add mobile plan, and of course you will need to scan the QR code and enable the data roaming. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.